Today we're going to be demonstrating how to convert the mechanical controller on a P1 PD series pump. We'll be working with the latest B-mod version of the control, which has been updated and improved versus the previous A-mod controls. These latest controls have the ability to be quickly and easily modified to fit your customer's application, and they're no longer rotation dependent like the previous A-mod version. To complete these conversions, you'll need only a few items. You're going to need obviously the base control. You're going to need the service manual, which is located online. You're going to need the corresponding conversion kits. And you're going to need SAE Wrenches, SAE Hex Keys, and torque control, or torque wrench. Okay, and now we're going to be converting an LO control, standard load sense control, to an L2 control, which is a load sense with a bleed orifice. And the only difference between the LO and the L2 is that there is an orifice instead of a plug between the differential stage and your pressure compensator stage. So to do that, you're going to need the S2E 20466-5K kit. And inside this kit, we have the mechanical components required, but also conversions instructions. So we will find the set of instructions that applies to our conversion, which is LO to L2, set it aside. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove plug 4, which is actually located right in here, and replace it with an orifice, which is included in this kit. We're only going to need the orifice out of this kit. There's 2 orifices included in the kit with a spool. We're not going to use the smaller orifice or the spool, just a larger orifice. So I'll set that aside. First, you have to remove the plug from your vent port, which is the X port. And if you look down in there, you can't see a plug. That's because the differential pressure adjustment is blocking it. So we will have to remove the differential pressure adjustment. And we'll set that to the side. I'm using a 3mm Allen. If you look down in there, you can see the plug is located between the 2 cavities, and we're going to go ahead and remove it. There's the plug. Set it to the side. And now we're going to get the larger orifice out of this bag here. So there is the orifice. This spool we're not going to need. And just to show the difference in sizes, you can see this is the larger of the 2, so that's the one I'm going to use. Tighten it down. The differential pressure adjustment. Hold it vertically so nothing moves out of place when you go to put it back into the compensator body. Tighten this down to the catalog specifications. Mount onto the pump, and you're ready to set your pressures. So with the correct kit, a little time, it's easy to convert any of the P1 PD B-mod controls to any one of the other available options. This flexibility adds to the pump ability to meet your customer's demand quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching.